Hey guys, welcome back to Box Projects. And if you watched our previous video, you know that we replaced the tube on this Suzuki DS100, and after we did that, obviously we take off the brake, and so in that process, we now have no front brakes. So
amazing how that works.
We're gonna be addressing that issue today. Taking the tire back off. We're taking the whole wheel back off so we can get this brake thing sorted out. We have new brake shoes for this, and so we're gonna be taking the tire off, and so can yeah, at least maybe have front brakes when we finish this video. Okay, so here is the drum brake off of that wheel.
Right over there.
We're assuming
Just slides right out.
so I think this is original because it says made in Japan and has a Suzuki logo right there, so I'm assuming this is going to be about 40 years old, so that's good. So we have our new brake shoes from eBay, and got the springs. We're worried if this wasn't the right thing, but then we just kind of looked in there and it was, yep, that looks right. So,
Same.
so yeah, let's just start putting this on then. Okay, so here are the new brake shoes installed, and got the new springs in there, and brand new pads. We did throw some WD-40 just kind of in between there and there, just to really kind of loosen it up, and now we just have to throw it back on that tire and put the tire back on, then we can probably adjust it from there using just like the screw right here. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay. We have brakes. We have brakes now. They're not the best brakes, but we have them. We have them now. Well, there you go.
There you go. Now take the choke off while you got it running.